Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name still remains Oboypapi. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys step by step how to set up your first Bitcoin wallet. If you are new to Bitcoins, well, don't worry. I already have a video on my YouTube channel which will help you understand Bitcoins better. So please check the video description for the link to the video that explains exactly what Bitcoins are and everything you should know about it before you invest your money in it. Please, if today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I will also appreciate if you like my videos. Last but not the least, you can drop your comments on the comment section concerning this video.
If I told you I have the best job for you, will you be interested? A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn more than you could spend. All you need is 50 Ghana cedis, and a smartphone to be part of this great opportunity. You will stand the chance to go home with plasma TV, smartphones, laptops, foodstuffs and expensive cars. And also enjoy a luxury vacation around the world. Contact us now to be part of this great opportunity.
Hey guys, welcome back once again. So since Bitcoin is a digital currency, as Bitcoins don't exist in any physical shape or form, they can't technically be stored anywhere. Instead, it's the private keys which are used to access your public Bitcoin address and also transaction signatures that needs to be securely stored. A combination of the recipient public key and your private key is what makes a Bitcoin transaction as mobile wallet. So follow me as I will give you step by step how to do your web wallet or sign up or set up your web wallet. Okay guys, so kindly check the video description. There is a link over there that is going to help you get on this platform. So once you click on it, it says you were invited to try Coinbase. So that means I have invited you. The link over there is my invitation link that once you click on it, it will ask you to sign up with your details. And I'm going to get paid $10 for you using my link to sign up. That is when you buy address. Okay, so let's go ahead and verify. This is so easy, it's simple as ABCD. So once our Gmail is verified, then we'll move on to the next level. Okay, so now let's open it in the browser. Let's open it in the Chrome browser so that we can complete. So now we need to enter our number. Okay, you need to enter your phone number, and they are going to send you a verification code to the phone number. So please make sure you provide a number which is valid, and they will be able to, so that you'll be able to receive the code. So you click on send code, and they are going to send a code. Okay, that is a 6-digit code which I will need to verify myself. Okay, looks like the code is in. You copy the code, then you paste it here. Okay, once you're done, you click on submit. Okay, so now we are done with the email verification and the phone verification. Okay, so it says transfer crypto. Would you like to transfer crypto to Coinbase? Protect your crypto by transferring it from another. Okay, so for now we are going to skip. Okay, click on skip for now. Okay, so now that we have skipped, our account is now created. Okay, so we didn't create only Bitcoin address or Bitcoin wallet. It's actually a wallet for cryptocurrency. It means that you have account for other cryptocurrencies, not only Bitcoins. So now let's go and check our wallet. So as you can see, Bitcoin wallet, our balance is 0. We have Bitcoin Cash. Okay, we have Litecoin. So let's check Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so this is our Bitcoin wallet. As you can see, it's empty. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to get your Bitcoin address, Bitcoin address. That is in case someone wants to send you Bitcoins. You go to receive, you click on receive. Okay, that is if you want to send receive money from someone, you will need your address. This is the same as if you have a house, you need to provide your address so that people can or be able to visit you. So now that you are here, click on I understand, okay, and skip for now. Okay, so as you can see, your address is in the that is the 37C4. It's a key. Okay, so you just click on the where the arrow is pointing to copy. Okay, as you can see, it ticked, so it means that our address is now copied. So you can copy your address and send to anyone who wants to send you Bitcoins, and you'll be able to receive it in your wallet. Okay, so as you can see, same way, if you want to send, you click on send. Okay, and you just enter the amount in cedis. Okay, we have 56 cedis. Let's say if you want to send, as it says, you don't have any Bitcoin to send, so we cannot send any money. So you enter the amount and you can send to anyone that you want to. So this is so easy to do. So now that you know how to create your wallet, now you have your wallet. So I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoins and receive it in your wallet safely in my next video. So stay tuned, stay blessed.